Okay, welcome to episode 1 of Project Bike Builds. So I have a few motorbikes that I currently own, and unfortunately I haven't had time or the place to do up these bikes, but I'm going to try and make a series about it, and hopefully that will force me to come back and work on these bikes. I was working on a bike, but then I went away and I came back and didn't have time to do anything. Or funds or anything to do that. Now I have the funds a little bit, so I have a little bit of a budget, and I reckon, and I have a lot of the parts as well, because I've been buying parts over the couple of years and stuff like that, and I've built up a small collection of parts to build the bike. I have a total of 2 project bikes that need to be done. 2. And I'm not sure which one to do first, but first of all I want to build a workshop or a shed or something to be able to build the bikes in. And this is episode 1, and in this episode I was going to be tearing down an old shed. The previous occupants of this property left us a horrible metal shed with a pallet base, like wood pallet base. Anyway, all work has had to been aborted or stopped or ceased, or whatever you want to call it, because while working on the shed there was a few bees around, you know, 1 or 2, and then 3 or 4, and some more. There is a bee's nest in the floor of the shed. I set this camera up, I'll probably have the footage on the screen now, and over half an hour I wanted to see just how many bees come and go, and you can see a few here and there. The activity is most in the mornings, it seems. Anyway, so that's on hold. We're going to have to wait now for a professional to come in and have a look, or anyway, I'm not sure what to do. They're not honeybees. They're not the honeybees though. These are different ones, so we don't even get any free honey out of it. Anyway, so this is just a new series that, hopefully in the next one I'll be tearing down, maybe, and then eventually we'll be building a workshop over the summer, hopefully, and then that means by winter time, when I finally get around to it, I should have a place to work on bikes inside, in the dry. So yeah. Look forward to that. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.